what I'm doing here is I'm just measuring this table that I've got for cutting the paper, and I can see here that it is exactly 2 meters long. The length of the paper that I want to cut is 2 meters 37. So what I'm doing is that we know that this is 2 meters long, so just adding on another 37, coming to this edge here. So we've got 237, would take it to where I've got my nail here. Now we get some tape. We'll just mark off on the table, so I know that that mark there is 37. So we've got 2 meters 37, and I'll show you in a minute how that works.